The Bombay High Court has banned the sale of firecrackers in residential areas of Maharashtra. The ban on the sale of these crackers in residential areas comes a day after India's Supreme Court gave similar orders for the Delhi and National Capital Region. The Bombay High Court has directed the Maharashtra government to cancel the license of anyone found selling crackers in residential areas. Right, joining me live from Mumbai is my colleague Pragya Jha. Pragya, is this news being welcomed, or are people upset that it's going to take away from Diwali?
That's right, Aisha. As far as the consumers are concerned, as far as revelers are concerned, the news is not a bad news, because the High Court of Bombay has not put a ban per se on bursting of crackers or celebrations related where people would want to burn firecrackers. So the ban is not absolute here in Mumbai. In fact, the ban of firecrackers or the sale of firecrackers or possession of firecrackers in residential areas is what we're talking about right now, because the Bombay High Court today, the Chief Justice, there was a bench of two Chief Justices. One was Chief Justice Manjula Scheller, and there was J.D. Ramdas. He says that they say that, first of all, the petition that's been brought up is very important, and further on they go on to say that the people who oppose this ban, that is the Shopkeepers Association, ones who sell firecrackers here, the traders who sell firecrackers, the Chief Justice mentioned that why is this brought up just ahead of Diwali?
Right.
There's hardly a week or so for Diwali, and this is not much in time. And they say that the petition, and they say that firecrackers would not be sold anywhere around residential areas.
Sure. And as you're pointing out for us, Pragya, that this is more to deal with the sale of firecrackers, but the end result, though, is focused on noise pollution as well as air pollution. So keeping that in mind, and the fact that it's only come into play just a week before Diwali, do you perceive that there's going to have an impact at all, if any, because most people hoard up firecrackers well before Diwali in any case?
That's right. People have already accumulated their quota of Diwali crackers, as we can mention, as we can say. And we've seen that people have already started bursting crackers at places, because celebrations start much ahead rather than on the day of Diwali. So people have already kept up their stock. Now, for those who have already kept their stock ready, that's not much of a problem. But for those who are yet to begin shopping for Diwali in terms of the firecrackers, they'll have to really go perhaps to wholesale markets where there are designated markets only for sale of crackers. So in and around the convenience of your residence, the convenience of your home, you would not have shops and outlets, or makeshift shops as we call them, as we see, where they create these temporary arrangements for shops to sell crackers, for shopkeepers to bring their wares, and then people come in. So even those last minute Diwali purchases can be done, but this time around it cannot be. And this ban, of course, is there throughout Maharashtra. Nobody with licenses that are not renewed can sell or possess firecrackers.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Pragya, thanks so much for bringing us up to speed on the finer details of the verdict from the Bombay High Court today.